Shawty wanna do it in the north.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is pretty exciting. It's pretty awesome because we have a very special opportunity to film with, I mean, you read the title, a twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan, 800 horsepower. Isn't that something else? At 24 years of age, I have never ridden in a Lamborghini, but that changes today, and I'm so glad I can bring you guys with me. So without further ado, let's take a look at this Lambo. So behind me is a 2015 twin turbo Huracan LP610-4, and this thing is pretty damn amazing. Twin turbo kit designed by Platinum Automotive, which is right down there in North Charleston, but this is still an incredible vehicle. And I mean, the camera really doesn't do this thing any justice. These are forged wheels designed by Velos Design Works, of course. All-wheel drive, 5.2 liter. Oh man, it's an incredible vehicle. Oh my, that's incredible. Oh no, I felt that. Oh dude, gets me every time. Ooh. Oh my god, dude. Alright.
I wish these f***ing lights weren't on the dash though.
Yeah, it definitely makes you feel a little less, you know, confident about shit. But I'll tell you what. Oh my gosh. An incredible whip, indeed. Dude. Alright guys, when I woke up this morning, I didn't imagine this happening. I don't know why, but we're about to take an 800 horsepower twin turbo Huracan for a drive. I've never driven a Lamborghini before. So let's go take it for a spin. Oh man, dude, that's incredible. Jeez, this thing feels great. Dude, wow, that's wild. Oh, oh. Dude. Oh my goodness, bro. This thing is insane. This thing is insane, bro. But it feels so good. It's so smooth, man. It's incredible. Like, call it a Huracan review, but twin turbo? Hey, the first Huracan? What? Ah! Dude, guys, like, you have no idea. Oh my god. Wow. This thing sounds so good. I don't even know how to explain it, guys. It's just incredible, man. And guys, honestly, I'm speechless here. Like I said, I woke up this morning and I had no idea that this is the experience that I would have with a twin turbo 800 horsepower Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. And a huge shout out to my boy Rick for just, you know, giving me the opportunity to shoot with his Huracan. If you're interested in having a video like this filmed with your vehicle, send all your submissions to osazevlogs@gmail.com. But all in all, guys, thanks again for watching. Definitely check out some TunerGodz merch right down below. TunerGodz.com. Everything is below in the description. But we're gonna wrap this up right here. So you already know, peace, love, sleep, and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one, because Osaze Vlogs.
I say, fling it back on me. Got the body and do it on a beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup and never free. Girl, they looking at your eye, tell me, come now. She want love now.